Hi, Helen and Tristan here, back with another episode.
And in this episode we're going to run through all the steps that we take to permanently remove the rust that's on the van floor, as well as treating it afterwards so it doesn't come back.
As well as how we filled all of those little holes in the van floor from when we removed the seat rails. Seats and the flooring, we found a small bit of rust on the metal here, so we're just going to talk through how you remove the rust and treat it as well. So you just need one of these wire brushes. Fortunately we had one already, so you're just going to literally scrub at it. It's not the most pleasant thing. So once you're happy with the amount of surface rust removed, then you just need to get a cloth, just like an old microfibre cloth, and just give it a wipe to get rid of the excess rust. And then we just get some wire wool and then just go over that as well, just to get rid of any last little bits. Happy with the surface rust that's been removed, then you just need to get some rust remover. So we're using Hammerite rust remover that we picked up from Halfords, and then you just need a small paintbrush as well. I'm just going to dab a little bit on and that will treat it nicely. Machines.
How's it going?
It's okay. I feel like if I touch any of this I'm going to turn into a Hulk, you know? It's very green.
Did you read the instructions? The Curus is just drying, and whilst that's drying, before we wire wool and wire brush that off, we're going to fill all the holes where the seats were. There's quite a lot, so we best get cracking. So we're just about to fill all these holes. We've got a tray of 1 and 2p coins, which we're just going to glue on using Tiger Seal from UPOL. So just like that. Fit it into the, don't know what this thing is really, squeezer tuber. We actually found that the 1p coins fit in the hole of the first skin, so we should be able to fill them quite seamlessly with just 1 piece.
Of Hammerite on and left it to completely dry, and it looks like the rust has been removed now, so you can just get your wire brush again and just give it a good scrub and get the Hammerite off. If you're struggling getting it off with just a wire brush, just dab your cloth with a little bit of water and then just wipe it off a little bit. transparent now. This is, as you can see, black paint. We don't have any white, but it's not going to look great, but then it's all going to get covered and hidden by our flooring anyway. So to save money, we'll use what we've got. Literally just paint it over.
How'd it go?
Good. So painted, leave it to dry, and we'll see how it looks tomorrow.
So that's it, easy episode, very short one today. We just ran through everything to treat the rust and remove all the rust, and then we filled those holes, adding about £5 in 1p's and 2p's to the van floor. Thanks for all the support so far on all of our episodes. We really appreciate if you take the time to comment in the box below about a shorter episode like the one you've just seen, or would you prefer nice and long episodes where I just waffle on. Anyway, if you'd like to give us some support, then hit that big red subscribe button below and give this video a like, it really helps us a lot. And we'll see you on the next one.